Hi guys, I'm going to walk you through how to set a master decimal setup template. And the reason you want to use a template is because you want something that is going to be consistent, and it's exactly what I'm going to be using. So then you know exactly what I'm doing. I will be referencing a book. So if I'm looking down, I'm looking at my book. That's just going to be walking through all the steps that we have to go through for this one. Okay, so you're going to go into AutoCAD here. Your screen should look like this. You're going to move up to, let me move this up a little bit. Okay, you're going to be moving up to this and create a new blank drawing file folder. Of this, you want to choose an AutoCAD template. So the ACAD exactly. Then you open it. Okay, within this, you are going to set drawings by typing the word units, enter. I should bring up your drawing units. You're going to be setting your decimals and precision to 3 decimal points here. Decimal degrees are good, good. Inches, good. And then, okay. Now, you're going to set your drawing limits. So by setting your drawing limits, you type the word limits. And then you are going to select off. So you can just select off. You can type off. And that is okay. And then you can zoom and you'll see those. Now you want to set the grid and snaps as follows. So you're going to go to your drafting settings, which is grid settings. Drafting settings right here. You can also type the DS and it should get you to drafting settings. You're going to select snap and grid. And then you change the settings so that they are 0.25 here, 250. And 250 here, equal X and Y. This is correct. You want your grid spacing to be 1.000. And that should change. You want your grid setting to also be major line every 4. It's important that you also unclick those 2 boxes. Then you press OK. Your grid should have gotten significantly smaller. Okay. Now, we are going to go to line weight settings, and that is this button right here. If you do not have this button right here, you can change this bar. Let me show you down here. I have to move this again. So if you do not have this little button right here, the line weight, you select this and you make sure this is selected. You can add all these on or all these off depending on what you want. So you want this line weight selected, then you click this. Then on the line weight selection, right click for line weight settings. It should be by layer. You want this to be set all the way down here with inches at this. And if this is not selected, and you don't need to display line weight. This is not looking like that. Go ahead and fix it for now. Then you're going to create new layers. So yes, I need to layer properties. I'm going to create a new layer here. This new layer needs to be center line. Yep. Caps lock, center line. Now, your line type should not be continuous, but you load and you scroll down until you find center 2. It should be center 2. Then you select OK and OK. I also want to change the color of this to this lovely cyan blue. Okay. And then I'm going to add another layer. This one should be hidden. Of this hidden, I don't want it to be cyan anymore. Instead, I want it to be magenta. So I choose magenta. It should not be continuous. Ooh, I need to change that. It should not be continuous, but I load this. So it is hidden. Yes, hidden. Okay. And I want to choose this. Okay. And that's what I did not do on the center line. It should be center. Okay. And then on the last layer, I want it to be phantom line. And I don't want phantom to be magenta anymore. Phantom should be white. And it's no longer hidden. So I load a new one. I'm looking for Phantom 2. Phantom 2. And then I choose this. Okay. And then default. Yep. So if your layers do not look like this, and that again was under layer properties, then you need to fix that right now. Okay, and then I'm going to choose text style. This is the one that I struggle with, so let's just get there. So I type text style. Now I'm going to choose, I got here before, maybe it's here. How did I do that? Nope, that wasn't it. Right here. So I came to the Annotate tab. I came to Manage Text Styles. Now I'm going to select New. Under New, I'm going to type Text Classic. Under Text Classic, I want to choose sans serif. Under sans serif, I also wanted to annotate it. I want this to be 0. I want sans serif 0. Set current. Yes. Close. Okay. Now I want to create a dimension style. So under dimension style, manage dimension styles. Under dimension styles, I want to create a new one. This is going to be long, okay? So it should be DIM decimal. Standard annotative. Continue. Do not press the OK button for a long time here, okay, guys? We've got a lot to change. You're going to go up here first to primary units. You want this to be decimal, and you only want 3 decimal places. Okay, 3 decimal places. Scale factor should be 1, should not be. You want to have this selected with this with 3 decimal places. This to be decimal degrees, 0. Okay, now I'm going to go to lines. And within lines, I go by block. I have this to be 0.500. I want this to be by blocks. I want this to be 0.25 and 0.0625. Still don't press OK. Then I go to symbols and arrows. Under symbols and arrows, close field, close field, close field, 0.02 or 125. Then I want this to be line. Break size is perfect. This is that, and this looks like that. Still don't press OK. I got close there. Under text, we want text classic. We just set it up, so let's use it. 0.25, I want it to be 0.2125. There. Draw frame, centered left, horizontal, offset 060. And this is all just super particular. Then you want to go to fit. Up here under fit, you want to go to annotative. Make sure that's, and place text manually. Now under fit, you can be done. So we're going to press OK. So the dim decimal should be selected. So you're going to set current right here. And then you can press close. Now you are going to come up here to save. And this should be saved as my, and this will have to be different. Mine's going to be C10. And you want to save this in a place that you are going to be able to find it. So again, this is a template to be used for everything else. So when you want to create something, you can just load the template and then start your drawing and everything will be good, okay?